Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Photoshop for drawing. First, let's create a new document. Consider a canvas size of 3000 by 2000 pixels with a resolution of 300 pixels per inch for most digital art. Select the RGB color mode for vibrant on-screen colors. Next, customize your workspace by dragging and dropping panels like layers, brushes, and color into a comfortable layout. This personalized arrangement will significantly streamline your drawing process, making your creative flow much smoother from the very beginning. Now, let's dive into brush customization, which is crucial for a natural drawing feel. Open the Brush Settings panel. Here, you can fine-tune your brush tip shape, adjusting its size and hardness. Experiment with spacing to control the stroke's continuity. For tablet users, enabling shape dynamics and transfer is vital. This activates pressure sensitivity, allowing your strokes to vary in thickness and opacity based on how hard you press, mimicking traditional art tools beautifully. Effective layer management is key to a non-destructive workflow. Always create new layers for different elements, such as line art, base colors, and shadows. This allows for easy edits without affecting other parts of your drawing. Remember to name your layers clearly. For example, sketch, flats, or shading. Explore blending modes like multiply for shadows or screen for highlights, and adjust layer opacity to achieve subtle effects and depth in your artwork. To ensure a smooth drawing experience, optimize Photoshop's performance. Go to Preferences, then Performance, and allocate at least 70% of your available RAM to Photoshop. This significantly reduces lag. Next, personalize your workflow by customizing keyboard shortcuts for tools you use most often, like switching brushes or creating new layers. Finally, save your custom workspace and any unique brush presets. This ensures your ideal drawing environment is always just a click away, ready for your next masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.